The setup on Google is absolutely incredible. In this video, I want to go over a quick update on Google. We are trading sideways. We are really setting up. And in this video, I just really want to go over, what the catch really is with Google. And the catch is the time, the expiration. Since we are playing with options, we are playing with time, and we really have to time the breakout. So I just want to take a look at our previous other A+ setups and how it was a waiting game for us. So I did enter in Google. My first entry was really at the resistance, and now those contracts are at minus 100%. It was a smaller position. I put only 500 in at that resistance. Then I put like another 500, 600 in at the support, because this is really the perfect entry. This is the entry that you want for your Google options, where we're sitting right at the level of support. Now this setup is absolutely incredible. Okay, we have seen this many times. This is a solid, incredible setups, but again, the catch is that it is a waiting game right here for Google. So take a look at Google. We are still consolidating. As long as if we are holding this level of support, which we are doing very strong right now, we are looking good. We just need to hold this level of support. We are consolidating between the resistance, between the support, and even today, yesterday, we were just consolidating, hold this very strong support, trading sideways between these zones. We hit over 176 today, over 50% on the option contracts. But the whole idea is that this is the perfect entry. So I am in today. I got Friday expiration, but I do want to roll my contracts into next week or July 5th. So I want to talk about that. So we're taking a look at Google right here. And again, the best entry is when we are trading sideways between the zones and right before we break out. Because right before we break out, we get that massive candle like we got for Nike. Okay, Nike had this symmetrical triangle. It was trading that sideways. It was really setting up. We entered in a lot earlier for Nike, but we were, being very patient. We stayed very patient, and then boom, we had massive two bulging green candlesticks for Nike. Apple, another very similar setup. We had a ascending triangle, and right at the breakout, it just bursted, and then it had another breakout right here. So as you guys can see, Google has this very nice setup. Again, the setup here is absolutely incredible, but the only catch is the time. Okay, how much time do we get before it break out? So my first entry was really bad, entered in, but I do want to grab July 5th expiration. I'm taking a look at July 5th expiration, with a 180 price target. We're taking a look at 40% or whatnot. We have just a lot more theta. Theta is really the problem and the catch. So the more we trade sideways and the closer it gets to that breakout area, then we can play weekly calls, so we can get that massive 100% gainers on Google. But the overall idea is to have cash on the sidelines to play the breakout, to play the bounce. There are many ways to play this setup. What we were doing was, we first tried to play the breakout. It did not break out, and then we were playing the bounce. So we bought in right at the level of support. It went over 50% gain for options real quick, but I wasn't able to sell it. So right now I am just playing the bounce, and then hopefully tomorrow I can sell in at a profit of $177 right at the resistance. Should be around a 50% gain, but then we wait for it to trade sideways, and hopefully by next week we can get a massive breakout over to $180. This is the my official price target. We have this very nice week, and if we can get price action like this, like we got with Apple and Nike, that would be the play. So overall, just a quick update on Google stock. Again, the setup just looks absolutely amazing. The only catch is really time and trying to time the market with Google. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys later.